Hello guys. Well, in the last class we have dealt with the median. We did a problem based on the median in grouped data. And the formula for median, I am sure you have by hearted, recited that L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Right? So what is important there when you are doing median is you have to take a column of cumulative frequency, and after getting the cumulative frequency column you have to plot the median class. After that you can continue the problem. Well, today we have a problem where two unknowns are there, and those two unknowns we are going to find, right? Let us see what is there in the problem. A very interesting and very important problem. Similar models you can expect in the board examination. If the median of 60 observations, every word is important here. If the median of, you can see I have written little bit bold, 60 observations given below is 28.5, then find the value of x and y. So these are the observations given to you, 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on till 50 to 60, and there is a frequency associated with that particular class interval is given to you. So when you are dealing with median, you will draw a class interval, you will draw frequency, and then additional column you will draw is cumulative frequency. To be more precise, it is less than cumulative frequency. How do you write less than cumulative frequency? You simply write 5 here, then followed by 5 plus x. Then again you will add 5 plus 20 will be 25 plus x. Again 25 plus x plus 15 will be 40 plus x. That will get added up with y, so it is 40 plus x plus y. And that will be added with 5, it will be 45 plus x plus y. It means if you add this entire thing, this is equal to the total frequency n or sigma f, right? But what is the total frequency given to you? He told if the median of 60 observations, means all together the sum of all frequencies is called number of observations. Sum of all frequencies is called number of observation. And what is the number of observations given to you? 60. So this entire total sum is 60, but when you add up these things consecutively, that sum is equal to what? 45 plus x plus 5. Is it not? You can check it. 5 plus 15, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So I will write clearly, what is that? 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. X plus y is equal to 15. You got an equation, linear equation in terms of x and y. Two variables are there. Now, in order to get the values of x and y, you need one more equation. I have to generate one more equation. How do I generate one more equation? This 60 I have used it. Now he has given you one more condition that the median is 28.5. So let us try to plot the median class. What is median? 28.5. 28.5 lies in which class interval? Here, 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 here or here. 28.5 lies here. So because 28.5 lies in this class interval will be called as what class? Median class. Now this is something which is very important, not mentioned in the textbooks, how to plot the median class. So I am sure you understood, because the median is 28.5. So median is 28.5. 28.5 lies here. So therefore this is a median class. Once you plot the median class, cumulative frequency is just above median class. This is the frequency of the class, median class, and this is the lower boundary. And between the difference of two consecutive lower limits or two consecutive upper limits is your h, which is equal to 10. So now I will write here, what is total frequency? N is equal to 60. L is equal to how much is that? 20. And then F is equal to what? 20. L is 20, F is also 20, and cumulative frequency is how much? Cumulative frequency is 5 plus x. And what is h? Width of the class? Width of the class is nothing but 10. Also, what is given to you? Given median. What is median given to you? 28.5. Now I will write, we know that, right? Let me write this in a short manner. This is median class. And now I will write here as we know that median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f in brackets into h. Now what is median given to you? Median is equal to 28.5. So So it is 28.5 is equal to L plus, what is L value? 20 plus n by 2. What is n value here? 60. Be very careful. 60 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? 5 plus x. Because minus is there, I will put in brackets 5 plus x by f. What is the value of f here? The value of f is 20. 20 into h. What is the value of h there? H is nothing but width of the class or class interval, which is equal to 10. All right. So now 28.5 plus, is equal to 20 plus 30. 60 divided by 2 is 30 minus 5 minus x by 10 ones are 10 twos are 2 is here. Now 20 will come to the left hand side. 28.5 minus 20 is equal to, what is 30 minus 5? 25 minus x by 2. What is 28.5 minus 20? 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. Well, cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it will be 25 minus x is equal to 8.5 into 2. So 25 minus x is equal to, what is 8.5 into 2? 17. 8.5 into 2 is 17. Minus x you send that side, 17 you bring this side. 25 minus 17 is equal to x. And what is 25 minus 17? It is 8. So x is equal to 8. Once you get x is equal to 8, you have to substitute in the equation where you have y. I will say substitute in equation 1. So what do you have? 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. So therefore, what is y is equal to? Y is equal to 7. So I am sure you have understood this problem. It is a very, very important problem, my dear students. So I want you to go through this problem carefully and then copy it down. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you.